Ocean City vacationers? We're here at Cruisin Week in Ocean City, Maryland. Right now, we are at the convention center, which is the hub of Cruisin Week. You actually can pay tickets just to be a spectator. I think it's 15 bucks just to walk in, so that's what we're about to do. Check out the cars, go into the convention center, see what's for sale even, and check out some of the cool vendors. So let's go take a look. So we got to check out some of the cool old classical cars that are in the convention center and in the convention center lot. They have some awesome vendors. If you haven't already registered and you're really into the classical old cars, you haven't come down for this weekend in the spring. We also have one in the fall, October 10th, that weekend. So check that out, book your trip to Ocean City, and we'll see you at the beach soon.